Yeah, it's me, Romeo. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a bottle rocket launcher. So these are the things that you need: a battery above 5 volts, wire, the light socket, light, gunpowder, tweezer things with the little thing right there, cut, and a small tube. First, what you want to do is cut the light socket and leave some room. Tie it together with the wire. Then the light, you cut off the top with tweezer, and you should end up getting some of this hole. Okay. Next, you want to get. Usually I use black powder because it's more stronger and stuff. So what you want to do is you want to fill it up with black powder or whatever you guys are using. I'd recommend black powder because it's better. Okay, I just gotta fill it up. And sorry, I got cold. Wait some more. Okay. And this is very dangerous, so be careful. Okay. Next step that you want to do is the wick, the bottle rocket. You want to stick it. Okay, and I'll show you the next part soon, okay?